Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to personalize a t-shirt with your own DTF transfer. So let's get started. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about DTF transfers. As you all know that sublimation is fun and can do a lot of things, but when it comes to making t-shirt designs or sublimating on fabric, there's only certain fabric you can sublimate on. It's got to be like 70% polyester and better. It can only be certain colors, and it just kind of limits to what kind of fabrics you can sublimate on. Now let's talk about DTF, direct to fabric. Okay, we've probably all tried that DTF hack by trying to put the DTF film in our printer, in our sublimation printer, and you know how that turned out. It doesn't turn out very well. Well, here's a solution to that. It's called DTF Transfers, and I got these DTF transfers from NinjaTransfers. Now this is a 22-inch wide by 10-foot DTF sheet, gang sheet. They call it a gang sheet, okay? And what you do is you pick your own designs, you upload your designs on their program, which is online at NinjaTransfers. It's very easy to do. And there's a video on their website also that shows you how to how to set it up. And you can go on Etsy or something like that and purchase t-shirt designs, or you may already have your own, and then upload those to NinjaTransfers website, and they'll print them out for you on a DTF gang sheet like this. Now this one here, like I said, this is 22 inches wide and 10 feet tall. But I uploaded all my designs. You can go 11-inch, you can put two 11-inch designs side by side on here. And it's very easy to do, like I said. You just upload them. And then make sure they're 300 DPI. They have 5 different sizes available. You can get a 2-foot length sheet. It'd be 22 inches by 2 foot. Or you can get a 7-foot sheet, a 10-foot long sheet, or a 20-foot long sheet. And obviously the prices are going to vary according to the length of the sheet you get. But I mean, you can fit a lot of designs. Look at the colors on these things. And you can put these on any t-shirt, any fabric. You get this gang sheet. Once you ordered it, it comes very fast. Shipping is very fast. And it comes in a roll like that. You'll also get the instructions on how to use your transfers, DTF transfers. You're going to get a sheet of paper like this with your gang sheet. Don't throw it away because you actually use this on the second press. I'll show you why we'll be using this later. Like I said, it's easy to upload, and all the information you're going to need to upload these will be on their website. I'll put a link to their website in my description, in my video description. And so with these DTF transfers, you're not limited to polyester t-shirts. You're not limited to white t-shirts or certain color shirts or fabrics. Actually, you can do t-shirts, hats, bags, aprons, jackets, koozies. Works on all materials, colors, stretch levels, and more. I'm just reading right off of the sheet right here. So if you want to make your own t-shirts, like for a wedding, for birthday parties. I mean, it doesn't just have to be t-shirts, but I was just using t-shirts as an example. You can go to NinjaTransfers, upload all your designs or t-shirt designs to the gang sheet, select whatever length you want. Like I said, they're 22 inches wide by, the longest one is 20 feet long. So you get plenty of designs for the money, and I highly recommend that you do this instead of trying to sublimate a t-shirt where your options are limited. So enough of that. So we'll get started, and I'll show you how the DTF transfers work on a t-shirt. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to press your DTF transfer. I've got a this is a 2XL cotton t-shirt, cotton. Okay, and what I've done is I've taken it to the press and I've just pressed a line down the center so I know where the center line of my shirt is, because I want my image to be straight. And I've cut out my transfer just like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. Well, not fold it in half, but just kind of bend it and crease the very top of the transfer, just like this, and crease the very bottom of the transfer. Don't crease the whole transfer. That way I can line the creases with the crease on my shirt and have it centered. And I like to do my work off the press. You can do your work on the press, but I just don't like being around that heat, and it's a lot easier for me to see over here than it is under there. So I've got my image, and now I'm going to put that down 3 inches from the top, since this is a large t-shirt, which is about 3 fingers. Or I could use a t-shirt guide. And then when you're coming down your 3 inches, don't go 3 inches, or don't measure to the top of your cut, but measure to the top of your design, because that's where your 3 inches is going to start. I made the mistake the first time when I cut out my transfer. I measured to the top of the clear transfer, but my image started lower than that, so don't do that. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here, and I'm going to bring this down right there. It's approximately 3 inches. I mean, it's up to you where you want to put it, but I like to go about 3 inches for a large adult t-shirt anyway. I might go up just a little higher. Okay, so once you have that centered with your crease on your shirt and everything looks good, you can take some heat tape and just stick that on there. Now, like I said, you can do all this on your press. You don't need heat tape and all that kind of stuff. But I don't make too many t-shirts, so I'm just trying out this new DTF transfers. So once I have this, I can bring this over to my heat press. Get it on here like this. You can use butcher paper if you want to, but you don't have to. I'm not going to, because I don't see any reason to use it. Get this on here. Takes a second. I want to make sure it's lined up properly on my pad. Okay, once I have that on there, my press is set, following the instructions, my press is set for, it says to start at 310. Well, I found that this press works better at 320. And you'll find a sweet spot on your press. But if you press it the first time and it doesn't feel like it's peeling off, then you can increase the heat in 15-degree heat increments. And the instructions are all on here. If you follow these instructions, you're not going to have a problem. Okay, so like I said, you can put butcher paper on here if you want to, but I'm not. And all you have to do now, you're going to have like firm pressure. Just let that set for 15 seconds. and let it press onto your shirt. You don't need to lint roll. You don't need to pre-press. You don't have to worry about all that stuff you got to do for sublimation. And if you go over a few 5 seconds, it's not going to hurt anything. You can press these several times. It's not going to hurt the transfer so that it's right, okay? If you see that it's not peeling off, increase your temperature, press it again. If it's still not peeling off, increase your temperature, press it again. You cannot hurt the transfer unless you go really crazy on the heat, on the temperature and the time. So I'm going to take this t-shirt out. Don't turn off your press yet because there's a second step to this. I'm going to let this cool to the touch for about 30 seconds and then I'll continue from there. Okay, so my transfer is cool to the touch. So I am going to attempt to peel the clear layer off of here. Now, kind of like fold it back on itself and then just slowly start peeling back. If you see everything is sticking to the shirt as it should be, just continue to slowly peel it off. If you see that it's lifting from the shirt, take it back over to your press and press it for another 15 seconds at a higher temperature. But this one peeled off just perfectly. And now we're going to take it over to the press and do the finishing step. As you can see, this peeled off very nicely, stuck to the shirt. So now, following the instructions, I'm going to take this back over to the press, put it back on there, get it nice and taut, no wrinkles. Take my paper that came with my gang sheet, place that over your image, and press it for another 15 seconds at the same temperature you pressed the first time. And what this does is it kind of takes the shininess off of your image. So it kind of blends in with the shirt a little better. Okay, take that. And take the press, shirt off the press. And there we have it. It's very easy, much easier than sublimation, I'm telling you. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe if this helped you. If you have any questions, please put your questions in the comments. I'll try and answer the best I can. And I go through my comments every day. I appreciate all my subscribers. So if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a question if you like the video. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.